Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
And equipment before we get a demo.
Same. 2 KICKER Solo Barics, LS7 15s, and a TAR MD5K. Okay. That's what I have.
What is it? The ohm of the tariffs?
Yes.
Is it a 1 or a 2 ohm?
Oh, 1 ohm.
1 ohm. Are you wired to 1 ohm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you metered it yet?
Yeah. I've done we done 150 seal.
Nice.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Are you happy with it?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm very happy with it.
Okay. And then you got a NVX 4-channel amp down here?
Sir, for my mids.
Okay.
And I got a scar for my highs.
Yes. All right. And what would you say it was tuned to?
She tunes it about, the box is 35 hertz, but she peaks at 47.
47. Okay. Got it. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
All right. Hold on just a second.
What was your name?
Shane.
Shane. It does like the higher note. Yeah.
It does.
Like,
it really does.
Like 48, 45, something like around there, yeah.
The best one does 50, at 47.
47?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you.
Where's your battery?
In the back.
In the back. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. So you do have it back here.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. I like that. Sweet. Basehead Mafia. 160 dB group. I'm going to come over there and look. Nice and sealed off too, you can tell.
Thank you.
Is there any way I can put the seat up?
Yeah.
For a subwoofer view? Sorry. Perfect. Thank you.
No problem, bud.
I like the port too.
Thank
It's
you.
pretty
Thank
cool, especially the way you have it like sealed off, you can tell.
Thank you.
Good work. Thank you. Nice to meet you again, man.
You too, bud.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.